Hey there, it's William. Today we're going to show you how to fix a front-load Whirlpool washer that's overfilling. This could be happening because of a faulty water inlet valve, a malfunctioning pressure switch, which is also known as a pressure sensor, or even a malfunctioning main control. Stick around so we can fix this problem together. Now before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more guides to help you make other appliance repairs yourself. Thanks for your support. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we need to get our tools together. Today, we'll need a 1/4 inch nut driver and a multimeter. Also, please remember that safety comes first. We're going to start with the valve. The quickest way to test a water valve is to unplug the power cord while it's overfilling. If the water supply is on and you can't get the washer to stop filling by unplugging the cord, then the valve has failed. But if the water flow stops when the power cord is unplugged, we'll need to turn off the water supply so we can do some more troubleshooting. Next up is the pressure switch. We are removing the 1/4 inch screws located at the back of the top panel. With the screws removed, we are sliding the top panel back and then lifting it up. Once that's out of the way, we're going to move to the pressure switch. The first thing we need to do here is remove the pressure hose and blow air through it to make sure it's not clogged. Air should be able to move through with minimal resistance. Now we can plug the power cord back in. This test involves live voltage, so you'll need to be extra careful here to protect yourself from electrical shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please don't ever test live voltage if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter. We're grabbing our multimeter and setting it to volts DC, which looks like a V with a dotted line. Then we're testing the pressure switch from the wire at pin 5 to the wire at pin 1. We should see 5 volts DC. If voltage is present, like we see here, then we know that the pressure switch has failed. If voltage is not present, we'll need to do some more troubleshooting. Our last test is at the main control. We're going to the main control connection PS8 and using the multimeter leads the test from the wire at pin 4 to the wire at pin 8. We're looking for 5 volts DC. If the voltage isn't present, then the main control has failed and should be replaced. On this specific washer, we found out that the pressure switch is bad, so let me show you how to replace it in case you have the same issue. First, we need to unplug the power cord. Then we can disconnect the pressure hose and press the lock tab as we do so. Now we can grab the pressure switch and rotate it 90 degrees, allowing it to be pulled away. Finally, we can unplug the wires. Here's the old pressure switch and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to insert the new pressure switch and plug in the wires. Now we can lock it in place by rotating it 90 degrees and connect the pressure hose. Once that's done, we are grabbing the top panel and setting it on just behind the user panel. Now we are sliding it forward and securing it at the back with the 1/4 inch screws we removed earlier. Don't forget to plug your washer power cord back in and turn that water supply back on. Once you've found the faulty part, whether it was a pressure switch or something else, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order a replacement, which should arrive in just a few days. After you get your new part, we'll walk you through the installation with our video guides. Share your repair experience with us by leaving a comment below. And if this video helped you, please hit the like and subscribe buttons to see more videos like this. Thanks for your support.